But oh, my ass!
Ishan Thakur abused PDs and will probably hop on the goddamn TRT because this is how Sazul messes you up. PCT does help but not much because it is what it is, guys. But why there is a surge in TRT men poppers? Men usually start TRT because they have symptoms like low libido, poor erections, low energy, depressed mood, loss of muscle mass and low bone density. To understand the roller coaster of TRT, we need to deep dive into the science and modern research papers. Multiple meta-analysis of randomized trials show TRT improves libido and some measures of sexual function in men with low T or symptomatic hypogonadism. This is one of the strongest, most reproducible effects in RCT. Randomized trials and meta-analysis also show TRT increases fat-free mass and decreases fat mass, especially trunk fat. Though strength gains are less consistent and depend on age, dose and exercise. These body composition effects are well documented in RCT. Meta-analysis of RCTs also report moderate improvements in depressive symptoms with TRT, especially in men with low baseline T and where depression is an explicit outcome. TRT can also increase spine bone mineral density in men with low testosterone. But what are the cases where TRT can be contraindicated? Exogenous TRT suppresses intratesticular testosterone and gonadotropins, often reducing sperm production. So it's contraindicated for men actively trying to conceive. Guidelines and reviews warn strongly about fertility effects and list contraindications like prostate cancer concerns, especially in African American men, elevated hematocrit, untreated severe obstructive sleep apnea, and recent major cardiovascular events, etc. This another meta-analysis concluded that for patients with hypogonadism, TRT does not increase the cardiovascular risk and all-cause mortality. To conclude, TRT is not safe anti-aging panacea, but the benefits are greatest in men confirmed with hypogonadism. But for skibbity fake natties like Ishan Thakur, Jit Sharma, Rohit Chauhan, Mihir Lips and Singha, TRT is super freaking necessary because their small freaking ball sack ain't recovering from the goddamn PCT. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते